Welcome to Flick Tactics Week 12 updates. 8 more weeks to go. Here are the additions and changes for this week. Kyle Knudsen, the generic soldier concept art, as you can see on the right side, really fantastic. Both are really cool. And I personally like the right one, and so you will see the pixel art that is like generated from the right concept art, and I will show it to you. And then Ryan did cool map design, and I will also show it to you. And I did a lot this week, right? So there's the forest fire spread mechanism, right? And then I have worked a lot on the enemy AI, and I have also improved dialogues. There's a lot of work done with building panels, and yeah, so it's playtime and let's check out the game. This is the map that Ryan made, and it is really cool. As you can see, there is this like very natural land with mountains, toxic lands, forests, and there's the HQ building, city building, and some mechs here and there. It feels really strategic. I mean, I'm not really sure. I haven't played it yet, but yeah, it seems pretty good. I have just developed a quick map just to demonstrate forest fire and sand smoke features. So let's get on, and I will just attack on any place on the forest. And when I attack on the forest, what happens is that the fire will come up here, right? Fire generates, and if a unit stands on the fire, the health will decrease, right? It's not right now. The health decrease feature is not there, but the forest fire spread feature is there. So if I attack on the forest, right? Is as you can see, it has like fire. See, I mean, there's this issue that the fire doesn't show up right in the overview. So yeah, that's a bug, but it works fine here. See, there's the fire, and if I select some other unit and cause more fires, and if I fire attack basically on a sand, right, with any mech, not just a rifle mech, the smoke will happen, right? And it will exist for like 2 turns, 3 turns. There are a specific number of turns for the fire and smoke to be there. And they turn again, and as you can see, the smoke is still there, the fire is still there, and it's not spreading right now because it spreads, I think, after every 2 to 3 turns. I'm not sure. So end. Let's see. Right now, yeah, as you can see, the smoke stays for like 2 turns on the uh, what do you say, sand. If I attack on the plains or mountains, the smoke won't happen, right? It's just for sand. Now, if I click on CO, commanding officer, you can see that the red is always the ream, right? And if I, click on next co, it will show me the commanding officer for the next team, the blue team, I believe. So yeah, there, Taja, Distant Chaos, and it has like power, some power, then Guru, and then Hulu, right? So yeah, and it also says you when you select your own. I think it should also display the team color, right? Like which team it is in. But yeah, as you can see, it works. And yeah, both buttons work and display the commanding officer it is for. And if I enter turn, and if I click on CO for this one, it is Taja, the blue one, and it says you. And if I go next, it shows commanding officers for other teams. And I think for red it is Zareem, for blue it is Taja, and for green it is Guru. For black it is either Jonah or Hulu. It just randomly selects between the two. Now for building shows the description for all the mechs that you can buy as well as the price for them. Yeah, if I click on campaign right now, it will show the dialogues and the generic soldier face just for testing purpose. And you can see this is the generic face art by Kyle Knudsen, and he made really cool, right? So now the dialogues goes to like third line. Now there's third line as compared to 2 lines only. And yeah, it's still not the best, but at least it works now. It at least displays the text better as compared to before. Now I'm going to show you sound effects. If I hover over the buttons in the building panel, you can see that now they generate sound, right? They generate the sound, and all these sounds are made by Rockly. And if I end turn, it will also have a sound effect. See? So yeah, I have also integrated these two sound effects. So it's time to check out the AI in action. Now the AI also attacks, and it also goes to the nearest player. It targets the nearest player, and if the yeah, as you can see, Artlev, Artlev does a direct attack. Yeah, which is not right, of course. It is a work in progress, but now there's the direct attack if the enemy unit is adjacent to it. Yeah, and there's this thing that yeah, the maneuverability feature is still under progress. Like the old thing is not best right now. Yeah, but now it attacks, and as you can see, it yeah there. So the building gets destroyed, and there's the animation for the destroying as well. All right, at least it's working now. So yeah, pretty decent. I don't know this displacement of unit. It's a bug that I just discovered right now. I didn't know about that. There, see. So now if the AI unit gets closer to the unit, it attacks. It attacks, which is pretty cool. There, they are now fighting with each other. So yeah, it's getting closer to the real AI thing, right? It's still far away from the cool AI that I I wish it could be. It will be, hopefully. I'm pretty sure they will keep fighting forever like crazy, and it won't end if I don't end it. So yeah, this is the entire update, and I hope you liked it. Next week we are going for turns display in gameplay UI enemy AI. It's a pretty big thing, I believe. I think a lot of work is yet to be done in enemy AI. And then there's the reset turn in gameplay UI, attack mech animation, Zareem, Taja, and Guru character art. Good thing is that Kyle Knudsen is there, and he will probably be doing some one or two characters, I believe. And yeah, he's doing an amazing job. And then there's the Ashley doing characters. Now I don't have to think too much about art and making bad attempts there. And then there's the map and level designs, which Rayan Young is going to do. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates.